The journey of money. True to the spirit of working with strategic partners to come up with innovative models that can be adapted and replicated in a much wider scale, Umande Trust since 2012 has partnered with KopoKopo to provide a web-based application that enables biocenters to accept and track transactions made through mobile money. Biocenters stimulate economic development by providing sanitation services and other business models such as halls, offices for hire, video libraries, water points, biogas kitchen, saloons, and many others. However, with all these businesses come the challenge of burdensome and inefficient cash management system. KopoKopo, which means money in Creole language, has partnered with Safaricom to bring the M-Pesa Pay Good services to small and medium businesses throughout the country. Peter Mwangi, the Merchant Service Officer at KopoKopo, explains to us more about the KopoKopo initiative.
So my name is Peter Mwangi. So KopoKopo is a payment service provider. Basically what we do is we help businesses grow. So we build a platform that rides on M-Pesa where merchants can be able to process their mobile payments. So we provide our businesses with a business number, like a till number. When customers come to you, they can pay you by M-Pesa. If you come to KopoKopo and you want your till number, so we require a copy of ID of the owner and a certificate of registration for the business, because we want to be sure it's a legit business. And then after about 2 weeks, we provide you with a till number that you can use that's linked to your bank account. So when customers pay you, those funds are sent to your bank account. It's a special kind of a SIM card that we give a business. Basically, they put it in a phone and it acts as a POS. And then that one is linked to your bank account. So when customers pay you, those funds move to your bank account. There are these businesses where they used to take M-Pesa in their personal line. Customers pay them and then they reverse it. So in this case, it's secure for them. So they tell us, this service is very secure for me. I'm no longer losing money.
Umande Trust, in an initiative to ensure biocenters are in the forefront of advancing technology, came up with the sanitation payment system. Kate Mweni, the business development manager at Umande Trust, had this to say.
Each group has its own till number, and this one, once the cash is sent to the till number, it's sent again to the bank by just a click of a button, and it goes to the different groups' account. Okay, each group has its own email, and from this email they can see the transactions on a daily basis. So they monitor, they normally see, once the transaction is done, you can open the email account, then you can see. Okay, I can say that the profit has improved a lot. Number one, the cost of transport to the bank has been reduced. Number two, the risk involved in staying the money for a whole week has also been reduced. And number three, the caretakers normally don't know, because they normally send the money after some few hours, like after 3 hours the money is sent to KopoKopo. So at the end of the day, the profit is much more as compared to the previous, and data for this is available.
True to her words, group members of some of the biocenters react to how KopoKopo has been effective in the day-to-day running of their businesses.
Kwa siku tunapata kitu kama 3,000. Kabla ya KopoKopo kwanza ilikuwa inafanywa, treasurer anachukua, ndio sasa ipelekwe kwa bank. Kwa hiyo ilikuwa inapeleka process. Wakati sasa KopoKopo imekuja, sasa ni kuhesabu tu pesa, kupata balance na kutuma direct kwa simu.
Mabadiliko iko kwa sababu pesa unaenda tu unapeleka, alafu unaambiwa zimeshafika. Saa hiyo tena ukiangalia unaona kweli ziko tu vile umeweka, hakuna tofauti.
KopoKopo kile kilifanya tuanze kutumia ni kwa sababu ya transport. Kila siku tulikuwa napeana shilingi 100 mtu kupeleka, lakini saa hii hatupeleki, tulipi mtu akupeleka. Saa hii iko friendly kwa sababu kiateka najua akimaliza kuuza akifunga anapeleka. Kuna message inabaki kwa simu yake, BMC anasoma.
KopoKopo naona iko na mabadiliko mingi, kwa sababu naona kama saa hii tuko na watu watu hapa kuona vile unahesabu hizo pesa nini vile unaenda nazo, lakini ukichukua tu saa hii pesa vile umeuza wewe mwenyewe ndio unajua, unatoka tu unaenda tu bila mtu kujua umebeba pesa, na unaenda unaweka kwa M-Pesa na zinaenda. Unajua kwa banki ilikuanga ngumu sana, unatoka tu hata wewe utakuwa unafika kwa leli. Mimi nimeshajua fulani yako na pesa sasa, anapeleka kwa banki na kungojea pale mbele, si hiyo iko tofauti.
This project will no doubt have an impact on the approach the urban poor uses to bank their money and open doors to new models by new investors.